Jamaica's automatic qualification dreams for the 2026 World Cup has officially gone. But the story is far from over. In fact, the next 18 months could decide the future of Jamaican football. Not just whether we make this World Cup, but what our football identity becomes. Today, we're breaking down the playoff road, the growing debate around the JFF and overseas player strategy, and the big question everyone in the media and the fan base is asking: what is the long term strategy for Jamaica football? Let's talk truth. Let's talk future. This is Guntertainment, and I'm your host, Richard Gunter. Let's jump in. With automatic qualification off the table, Jamaica now heads towards the dreaded intercontinental playoff, a place where anything can happen. With the CONCACAF new system, Jamaica now faces a team from Oceania, which is New Caledonia. That's going to be a semi-final playoff rather. And if we're able to get past them, then we'll face DR Congo in the final. And if we win the final against DR Congo, that's how we'll book our place to the World Cup. The playoff is a pressure cooker, literally, with no second chance. In fact, this is actually our second chance, the playoff, because we failed to qualify automatically, automatically for the World Cup. There's no room for slow starts. It's a do or die situation. And guess who will be in charge during this crucial period? Is it Michael Ricketts? No. Is it the technical committee? No. In fact, it's Rudolph Speid administration. The man whose decision on coaching, player recruitment, and program investment will directly shape our playoff chances. He's one of the most influential figures heading into 2026, whether people realize it or not. Now, the next question that has the fan base divided is: has the overseas player strategy failed? Let's address the debate that's heating up across Jamaican sports media. Did the JFF put too much faith in overseas recruits? For years, Jamaica has leaned heavily on players born in the UK, arguing that Jamaican football doesn't have the infrastructure to produce enough elite talent. While it worked at times, 2015 Gold Cup runner-up, 2017 Gold Cup final, the rise of players like Demari Gray, Ethan Pinnock, Bailey Ty Kadamateri, Antonio Wenfit, and Bobby DeCordova Reed, the strongest attacking depth Jamaica has had in 20 years. But here's the other side. Critics argue that chemistry is inconsistent. Players arrive late for camps, different football culture clashes, no stable system, short term recruitment overshadows long term youth development. And now, even with the expanded World Cup qualification, Jamaica still didn't secure automatic entry. So the question is fair: is Jamaica too dependent on the diaspora? Or has the local system simply not caught up as yet? Youth pipeline, the real key to long term success. With the next World Cup no longer guaranteed, the pressure shifts to Jamaica's youth pipeline. Jamaica's under 20s were recently drawn in a manageable qualifying group, seen by many as a major opportunity. The JFF has been talking about a new push for player pathway, but critique says it's still not structured enough. Countries that consistently qualify, the likes of Japan, Morocco, USA, build system where the U15, U17, and U20 fed directly into the senior team. Jamaica's challenge is not talent, it's development, coaching, qualification, coaching quality, and long-term planning. The, the truth is simple. If Jamaica wants to become a top 13 nation, it cannot rely on last minute recruitment. It must build from the ground up with proper coaching, scouting, sports science, and strong competition. A bigger question: what is the future of Jamaica football? Right now is the perfect moment for Jamaica to stop and ask the uncomfortable but necessary questions. Where is where is Jamaica heading? Should we double down on diaspora players? Should we finally build a structured youth system? Should coaching education be updated? Should the Reggae Boys identity be position based, counter attacking, high press, high press or hybrid? How should we keep top young players from choosing England and the US instead of Jamaica? This is the crossroad. This is the moment that will define the next 10 years, not just the next 18 months. Is there a turning point? Is this the turning point? Could this be the start of something bigger? Even though Jamaica missed automatic qualification, this could be a blessing in disguise. Why? The pressure is on the JFF to modernize. The fan base is more vocal and educated than ever. The media is asking questions. Young talented players are coming through, the likes of Dujan Whisper Richards, Kaim Dixon, Tyrese Campbell, and the list goes on. This moment right here, right now, could force Jamaica football to elevate. The question is, will they take that step? So here's what I would like to know from you in the comments. Should Jamaica stick to the overseas strategy